Deep in the Arizona desert lies the largest aviation graveyard on Earth. Covering over 2,600 acres, the 309th AMARG holds thousands of retired military aircraft. To the untrained eye, it looks like a multi-billion-dollar scrap heap, but in reality, it's America's secret strategic weapon reservoir. Here, weapons of war don't just come to die. They are sustained through a fascinating two-method science that keeps them operationally alive. Method number 1 is all about deep preservation. The desert air helps prevent rust, but the extreme heat can destroy sensitive cockpit electronics. To counter this, technicians use a specialized liquid vinyl process called Spray-Lat. They seal every single gap, engine intake, and canopy window. This unique white coating reflects the harsh solar radiation, keeping the interior temperature nearly cool enough to preserve vulnerable systems for decades. But it's method number 2 where the real magic happens: regeneration and reclamation. Look at this legendary A-10 Thunderbolt. In a moment's notice, these planes can be pulled out of retirement, stripped of their protective sealants, and fully retrofitted to take to the skies once again. If the airframe itself cannot fly, it serves as a massive organ donor, providing critical parts to active duty jets worldwide, saving billions of taxpayers' dollars. This facility isn't just a tomb. It's an active engineering cycle that proves old tech can still hold immense power. The next time you see a multi-million-dollar jet flying over the USA, remember, its survival might have started right here in the desert sands,